Welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1997 Ferrari 355 Spyder. It has the gated 6-speed manual transmission, just over 34,000 miles. The belts out engine out belt service was just done in 21. And in the past 3 months, it's had a new clutch, flywheel, that full job, all new tires. It had the water pump serpentine belt done and one of the radiators replaced. On the outside, it presents very nicely. There's no major dents, dings, scratches, anything like that. It has the 355 Challenge grille, convertible top in good shape. Inside, the upholstery is all in nice condition. There's some wear on the driver's seat, on the bottom and the bolster. Passenger seat's very clean. Relatively new floor mats. There's the gated 6-speed. All the gauges and everything work properly. In the early 2000s, we do have receipts for the around the vents and some of the trim. It went through the de-stickification, and those are all still in pretty nice shape. Dash leather's all nice. Steering wheel shows some wear, but nothing crazy. There you can see 34,165 miles. All of these are in nice condition and work. Overall, it's a fantastic example. So there you have it, our 1997 Ferrari F355 Spyder.